Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of hyperbolas. So as per the problem, write the equation that represents all of the points where the difference between the distances from the 2 points is 4. Now the two given points are -3, 3 and -3, -5. So the first step is to understand what shape we have to analyze to solve this problem. So there's one important concept about hyperbolas, that for any point on a hyperbola, so the difference between the distance of that point from the 2 points which are the foci of the hyperbola is constant. So there's a very important concept we need to understand and memorize. Now in this case, these two given points are the foci of the hyperbola. And in this case, these 2 points are aligned along a vertical line. So therefore, the equation that can be used to represent this hyperbola is y minus k square over a square minus x minus h square over b square equals 1. Now in this equation, the h and the k represent the center of the hyperbola. So the first thing we'll do is to find the center of these two given points, and that's the center of our hyperbola. So the center point can be found using the midpoint formula, and for that we'll add the x numbers of these 2 points and divide the result by 2, and we'll add the y numbers and divide the result by 2. So we get m equals, so -3 plus -3 is -6, and 3 plus -5 is -2. So the midpoint of these two given points is -3, -1. So that means for our hyperbola, the h value is equal to -3 and k is equal to -1. We can sub in these h and k values in our equation, in our general equation that I wrote. So we get y minus -1 square over a square minus x minus -3 square over b square equals 1. And now we can simplify this equation. So y plus 1 square over a square minus x plus 3 square over b square equals 1. So the center of this hyperbola can be shown here as this red point. The next step is to find the values of a and b, and for that we'll analyze the equation c square equals a square plus b square. In this equation, c represents the difference from either focus to the center of the hyperbola, and that distance in this case is 4 units. So this distance here is the c value. So in this case, so c is equal to 4. The given difference between the distances from the 2 points is 4, and that represents 2 times a. So 2 times a is equal to the constant difference between the distances. So we can use this equation to find the a value, and for that we'll divide both sides by 2. So the 2's on the left side cancel each other out, so we get a equals 2. And now we can sub in this c and a value in this equation to find the value of b. So we get 4 square equals 2 square plus b square. So now we can simplify the square. So 16 equals 4 plus b square. And now we can isolate b square by subtracting 4 from both sides. So the 4's on the right side cancel each other out. So 16 minus 4 is 12. So 12 equals b square. Now we don't have to solve for b because in this equation we have a square and b square in the denominator. So this is the value of b square that we'll use to write the equation of the hyperbola. So the final answer should be y plus 1 square over a square, which is 2 square, which is equal to 4, minus x plus 3 square over b square, which is equal to 12, equals 1. So this should be the final answer for the equation of this hyperbola. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.